Welcome back. Life is a mission, people. Yes, man. Welcome back. It's a new morning, you know. I will continue from where we left off in that last video with the curry shrimp and rice and roasting of breadfruit. Well, if you're following the whole thing, it's wow. You see, people, lightning. Very bleaky Friday morning. Very bleaky Friday morning. It's now 5 a.m. in the morning. And if you know a follow, you don't know the reason why I am up this early. Yes, man. You know, I am now going to pick up my daughter to head on to the airport. So as you all know, it's a new day from the day before, which is the Thursday. So as I told you, you will get a continuation of the roasting of the breadfruit and stuff in a different vlog, and I consider to do it with, since the whole cooking yesterday, Thursday, was all about the last day of cooking for my daughter for probably another 4 to 5 years. So I am going to head out now and pick her up and carry her along with me to the airport, because as you know, people who travel, I think you have to check in like 3 hours before. Our flight is 9 o'clock, and I like to give myself a little room and space where time is concerned, especially going to places like these where you have no control over what happened. You know, that if anything and you buck up on any little thing on the road, it can be a roadblock, it can be this, it can be that. You know, I never want to call on certain things, you know. But you know, you give yourself a space and a time, you know, can deal with what you have to deal with and move on once it can be dealt with. So me not like left out for exact time. So me have to give myself space and time. Not to mention, she is still a minor and it's her first time. I want she make sure she reach early so she can do what she have to do and stuff like that. So I don't know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel. This channel, which is Life is a Mission TV and Speak My Mind Entertainment. People, when I get in the car, I will say something. Alright? So stay tuned. So yes, my people. Blessing again. You know. I just want to say, you know, I was asking for you people to help the channel to reach 3,000 subscribers by Wednesday. Because Wednesday was the last of the month, you know, to make sure, you know, at the beginning of the month, which is yesterday, Thursday, would be the 1st of August. Anyway, I want to say thanks to all the people who make the effort to try and subscribe. All of you people who make the effort, if you could have subscribed 5, 6, 7 times, I know you would have done it, because I could see the effort, right? I have to say thanks to you. I've not checked it since morning, which is today is the 2nd of August. But up to 12 midnight last night when I was going to bed, and I checked it, it wanted 12 subscribers to reach that margin of 3,000. Right? So it falls short of 12 for the 3,000. But I must say thanks to all you people who try to make an effort, who have never subscribed and end up subscribed. Thanks to you. You know, You know, sometimes in life you have to set goals, you know. And when you set goals, not just set goals, you must have a time frame where you work with to achieve that goal. And that was one of the things I wanted to, you know, because I was saying, come on, it's long time now, maybe 2,000 odd subscribe. I want to move this channel to 3,000 now, it's full time. You know, so I did set the goal for me to achieve that 3,000 subscribers at the end of July, going into August. And I was asking for it for my independent and emancipation gift. Well, it don't work out, but give thanks, as I say again, to all the persons who make the effort to try and subscribe, to help it to reach. I can see, I can feel you people that, you know, if it was possible for you to subscribe 5-6 times, you would have done so. So bless up on yourself, you know. And I did ask for that, not just last week, but way at the start of the month, about the first week of the month. It come to my mind and I said yes, you know. But I saw it though. So anyway, I'm up on my way and I go down and I'm home to go pick up my daughter, because you know, I come from the cowboy ranch. So stay tuned on my way to the airport. Just remember that you will be seeing the final leg of the breadfruit peeling. Of the breadfruit peeling, and you know, as I tell you now, there wasn't any shrimp left to eat my breadfruit, because my big daughter they come cut in pan the shrimp. So I tell you, if I'm not tin and mackerel, we're not gonna see the shrimp, the breadfruit I box up with. So prepare for it. Yes, my people, so I reach downtown here now. Yeah man. Downtown I approach the old Air Jamaica building, for who know. The vintage Air Jamaica building, also known as the Kincaid building. When my boy we call it the Kincaid building. The office ahead. See it here? Right here, so in front of them car. This is the old Air Jamaica building, boy. Yeah man, the sign's still up there, and I just got to say, you know, they must remove that sign there. If the building even sell, them for sell, boy, all the time just cool rain and go fall. I don't mind it hold up till I come back in, people. Right down on the seashore, yeah, so feel cool. Yeah, my people, I don't mind if them even sell that building there. Them sell it with an agreement. Whosoever go buy it, not to remove the Air Jamaica sign. Make it stay there like a monument. You know? Because one of our main memories, big old pig. One of our main memories of Air Jamaica, they recently removed it, and that wasn't even the authentic memory of Air Jamaica. It's the plain parts that they removed from the airport roundabout. Yeah, people, I tell you, I'm showing you something on the place. Windy. The wind people. On the tree. Just look at the trees. The sky over the sea. And even if a rain a fall or what, but water flash. I can't see water, the breeze pick up and have a flash. Now a rain, you know, people. A rain me a going up. It started to beat on the windscreen. We are now at the back of the General Penitentiary. This is where cartel get free from. This is where he used to be at. Him and Sean Storm and Ninja Man. Boy, come like was an entertainment center down a GP, boy. So much of our top artists them did in there. Boy, I tell you, life not pretty, boy. Practice what you preach, no? Yeah, my people, see, the rain is on us, people, rain. I'm awake this morning, I'm going to see the wall of lightning. When me an intro the video, there was the rain, and then I don't know where I left. I go to the east side, so you don't know. Most time at this side we get rain from in a Kingston. Most of the time this is the side that we get rain from, the east side. Well, we just passed the flour mill. Approach the cement company, you know. So who know Kingston and know Jamaica like that know how far I is now from the airport. I've not yet reached Harborview. I'm fastly approaching the cement company. Yeah, man. Lots of lightning ahead going into St. Thomas, people. Yeah, man, lots of lightning. You know that I go on some news site last night just before I go to bed, and I see where there's some, I don't know if it's a storm, because I did not really go through it. I just read the headline where the projection of some bad weather heading towards Florida. Yeah, it is heading towards Florida, and the projection show you Florida, Jacksonville, you know, yeah, in that area there. Yeah, man, just ahead of Jamaica. But we all know when it come on to Florida, them area there, them say the geographical area is so close to Jamaica, and I think it is right at Cuba also. Yes, the projection flush in a Cuba to where them a show you. The meteorologists them a show you it is flush in a Cuba. Yeah, flush in a Cuba heading in the waters of Florida. You know, yeah. So you don't know when you have bad weather in them region there, it will affect Jamaica because our water is so close. Well, me just reached the Harborview roundabout. I'm now on the airport road, which they call the Palisade Road, where that JDF soldier, you know, take out him own self. Yeah. Well, I mean, I tell you. You just look at it, you'd have say, boy, probably that's the persons who would have, you know, tried to comfort and counsel you out of certain things. But when you check the levels, they themselves need counseling. You understand? Themselves need counseling. Life is just so life set up, you know. You see a man look like him strong and have a lot of faith and can handle certain things. Them just can't. Yeah, them just look that way there. That's why them say looks are deceiving. Because probably up to the minute when that soldier there drive out that service unit out of camp, and the sentry them and do them check. If looks was anything to say, okay, something wrong here, so probably gonna end up, you know, take out himself because them would identify that there is something wrong. But go see how freshly him look, how happily him look when leaving the camp. with the service unit, because remember now, he was in his uniform. It wasn't like he's just a JDF soldier at home or going about his private business. Basically, he was on the job. He was in the service unit. You understand? And him just choose to drive, come out here, so park up in a nice area. Probably when him park up, can I make sure turn the vehicle face on to the other side of the ocean, where pass by as into vehicle with a pedestrian or vehicle or traffic, nobody wouldn't really see him. At the minute I go do it, or probably even here, when the sound of the firearm go off, and him just park the vehicle and just took out him. Well, people are saying that the firearm was clutch betwixt his foot. It's like you have people feel like, okay, somebody do it. Nobody not do it, but I him do it, man. The firearm just fell in place that way after it happened. Remember now, not because of him take out himself. Anywhere him point that weapon, it's like him not gonna stay right there, so. No, him not gonna drop back down. Right? The firearm are gonna drop also. Where it going to drop, how it going to drop, nobody can tell. But it must drop back down. People make it look like to him take out himself, or when a person take out themselves and go for the head, which mainly I just what a person go for when they take out themselves. We all see it both in movies and in real life. Them just feel like so when the man goes so or the female goes so and point it at their head, them hand go steer up the so. No, them hand go drop back down. The firearm go drop back down also. It's just that where it's going to fall. And because it falls so neat betwixt his leg and his two hands, people are speculating, say, no, him do it, somebody else did it with him or somebody else do it. I think he man take out himself, man. As them allegedly say, him name a call upon underage. I don't know why they ever ask why them build them something so high. Them never have to build them so high, him name a call upon well, I'm now at the airport run about people. Yeah. I still don't like how them set up here, so lighting or something, but I still feel like say it should have been more different than this. A little lighting or something not bad, but it too simple. Kingston, and it just marking her white. It never the Kingston never mark. Them should mark if I mean the Kingston in the Jamaica color. Should have some form of monument differently. There is no monument. Kind of suggest more to visitors that okay, you're now in Jamaica. I don't like it. The lighting around it is okay, people, but I just don't like the overall looks. I feel like them could have done more. Yeah, they could have done more. It's just too simple. And got so much millions them I gonna tell you. Them used to do that. I said it the last time, I say it again. Now that it look like it finished the last time I come here, it never looked like it did finish. I say alright, let's watch and see. But I don't see no real difference away from the light from the last time I come. No difference away from the light. Anyway, people, I am now reaching I've now reached the airport. You know, so we're going into the departure. You keep right, you know that is arrival. Last time I come to, me not come at airport so long. Because I'm allergic to airport, as you don't know. I did end up driving through the departure. And at arrival, me did I go. So now, my brain fresh because it was recently. So I know that I have to stay where departure is concerned. So now, I am just got to look for where she's supposed to come off. So I'm now at the airport, people. Alright, my people, you know, I can't just run left far now, you know, because remember this is her first time traveling. She's still a minor. So basically what I'm going to do now, I am just going to go into the car park, hold some park, if me have to stay here another 2 hours to make sure all is well and stuff, I have to do that. So I'm just going to get a park. I know the airport is restricted to certain things. The last time, no, when I say the last time, I mean the last time. But I have been here one time already to now I pick up somebody, one of my long-time girlfriend back then, you know, some family for her, and night too, you know, people, and right over here switch park, Avis car park there, they saw her behind the one, I think the one behind, you know, the restriction of parking and something, yeah, that one, yeah, man, the one there right there, so when I come, I see like it as a bus only and so me no see no bus, I mean realize the bus now operate during them time, so I just go in there go park. When I go in there go park now and I come out, I book one of the airport security them. I forgot how them name, but the government type one them, not the private one them. The one that work like on the wharf, any one of the port them work there. I say general, you know, so I park around there, so I see say mark bus only, you know. Me I say this to you now, you know. I see say mark bus only, but at the same time, when you realize the bus now work, the man start, oh, you can't read, you know, see, remember, you know, me ask him a question at the same time, me make him know, so I understand, me just want to know if it's okay for me to do so. And me I tell you people, the man go on with himself and me just get mad pan him and start dealing with my way. Why I talk about him want lock up? Because basically I think them have the right, you know, because port security, right? They are port security. And I think them say most of these port security, them get the privilege as like a DC, district constable, can lock you up. And them go on the most way, I start wicking, you know, airport have restriction where bad words and certain behavior is concerned. Anyway, same time now when yet Red Sea police come round. But it's a police now when me know him come from my area. So and me and him used to in a bus business together, because when him not work, him a drive him bus. Yeah. So me see him and I say, Pow. No, him come and I say, want him first call him. And I say, want me, and when him realize I me know one thing and me I explain to him. Him did there and the way and him I say, like him I say, alright, here we do. Just comply with him. Yeah, but this boy you tell me about put on handcuff like me a hardcore criminal. What kind of put on handcuff? Me nah put on, me a go on the station, me nah put on no handcuff. I tell him say me a go on the station, me nah put on no handcuff. Just get me ticket for the car park, people. See bright like them flashing in your face, I take your vehicle particulars. Boy, but the boy insists to put on the handcuff for me, people. And I say me nah put on no handcuff. And so Paul will know that the police Red Sea him. Said to him, say, make him walk on, man. And I say, where you put on handcuff for me? I look like hardcore criminal to you. Hey boy, go here. By this time now, I don't know where boss man do the boy, girl. Do the boy. It's like boss man take away woman or something, people. I don't know. Why this a car park here fully and what's a car park here full, sir? No, sir. I first me come here come see this a car park here full, sir. We can't see a space in park. This close, everything full up. Yeah, them tiny boy look on who. But by this time now it's like the boy look like somebody who me know. But me can't know me know him from. But when him start talking about bus now, me I say, oh. No, sir, so this a car park here full, sir. So when him start talking about bus now, my people, me realize who the all pissants is. We can't park this, sir. No, sir. I first me ever come to the airport and I drive and down look for parking. It's a car mart. I must a car mart this over here, sir. Yeah, man, the man say, oh, me not like, nah, bus boy. Waterhouse boy, yeah. So the man are going, you know. I mean, I wonder. No, bro. Something right here, people. We can't believe I first me I come to the airport. People, watch I turn again and I look some of the park, you know. See a woman there say same she come in and can't find where she have to go around and look some of the catch. But you can't catch anyway, cause you don't want to catch and block up nobody else. Yeah, man. Anyway, I go around there. And when I go around there, bro, them put me now. Them put me in one cell. One little cage, you really sell one cage. Them put me in one cage, people. It come like our waiting and me going to people. It come like our musician room, me going at the amount of mosquitoes singing at me ears. Can't go to go park and me go to block the man the desk for come out. Me say people mosquito fi kill. Mosquito just a sing. Just a singing at me ear saying people. Anyway, I go some woman and claim to say them a charge me for. That's already the name of them say them a charge me for, bro. So me just go through the procedure. But I'll know. About courthouse and sitting. I'll know. Yeah man, I'll know. I park right here say no. Cause I can't get nowhere for park. I don't want no problem with them people here, you know. That's my problem, you know. I don't really want to park anyway and go in a problem with them, you know. Pay me a pay for park and I can't get nowhere for park, you know. I don't see me a block nowhere, so you know. Anyway, people, me I go out the door. Yes, my people, I am not the one going away, but I am here. One time gone, this wasn't something you can do, you know. You have to find yourself on the waving gallery. Yeah, man, they're gone the days. Now, you know, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like now, people. One time gone, a waving gallery, vintage style, you know. That's not how it is now. They light out and thing, people. Still there, people. You don't know. I'm not left yet, you know. They say me I kill about 2 hours, you know. If so long, you know. I just want to make sure she stay here till everything is okay. So if anything, I am right here to assist if there's any assistance needed. She gone, people. She gone. Alright, my people. So, what me I gonna do? Me now gonna stay at the airport as the 2 hours as I said, because as I said she gone through departure lounge now and stuff. So basically, you can just go on home, go and keep in touch with her and stuff like that. So, me just go leave now, people. And head home. Rain and fall, as you can see on the windscreen. Rain and fall. People, the same thing I'm telling you, I think that I think it's last night we telling you, or this morning, I don't remember, what totally gonna happen. Me and the person we are gonna drop high water and so. But you don't know, the throat get dry, you know. The throat get dry. The you know, you like that little crying feelings there? Yeah. Emotional feelings there. So I just desert there. Cause me and the person really are gonna like cry like that. Alright? Alright, she text me, see what she say. Police siren I make one bag of noise. I wonder who them find with sitting here now. I wonder who them find with sitting here now, cause from me come the K9 division vehicle park up, you know. People, every day when you hear me talk them something here, you know. The system of Jamaica poor. When I say poor, poor. Examiner want to see a road take off your plate for one little bad tire. Want to take off your plate for this, that tara. Police want to charge you for this, not tara. You know, so when me I come earlier on, Father God really good, you know. When me I come earlier on, you know. Harbour Street. Can you imagine I hit a pothole on Harbour Street? Right in a dark area. So it's not even a case where say I could have seen the pothole. You understand? It's not a case where I could have even see the pothole. It is in a dark area. When I drop in a pothole, I say, Jesus, peace, this is how I talk about this type of road. Supposed to maintain. You're supposed to have maintenance, so you can maintain these roads on a monthly basis. You have inspectors that inspect these roads to make sure. But because of hustling, because from the head come right down to the middle and the tail, it's just about hustling. Because if them patch a little small hole, it only going to cost $1. But if the hole broke out and turn a river, them can cost 100, charge 100 million. And when the contractor say give him 70, them says 100. And them get for them cut. So them not care about you as motorists. You know, say, I come and I park in the car park, city that my daughter way, just as we there talk to, you know. By the time I reach the airport road now, come out of the car park, reach I feel like me have a flat tire. So I wonder for the road. How the bumpiness of the road. Because I don't really feel it in my steering at the time. Because normally when your tire soft or so, you will feel it in your steering as an experienced driver. But they don't feel like stop people for going a little sightseeing. You don't really get them a sightseeing at the last time. Some of them now bother stop right now to how I feel. You understand? Yeah, man. They're on the airport road. So I drive come on the main part of the airport road now. When we reach on the main part of the airport road now, yes, I know, sir. This film, so I pull over. When me look, my tire I get flat. So I say, the gas station is so far out of Harbour View, I now go mash up my tire. So by the time I just change it and put on the spare. You know, long I put on a spare, and sometimes when you have spare in your vehicle for how long and it don't use, you know, it start lose air around the rim because it's on grease. So happily, my spare was okay. Sorry. When I take off the tire, you know, people, I broke my rim broke, you know. But to all the rim broke, God is so good that it never delayed me to reach the airport. Because the rim broke right at the lid of the rim. If you don't understand what I mean, the lid of the rim. So the base of the rim, the tire is still locked on the base of the rim. So because the tire is still locked on the base of the rim, it will lose air, but it not lose air that fast enough. So this happened way out of Harbour Street. Not Harbour View, no, Harbour Street. That are way in downtown Kingston. And God is so good that it make it carry me straight to the airport, so my daughter wouldn't have to delay for a first time traveler and a minor, you know, where she need every time where she can get for, you know, move around, get for understand. So if there is a little mistake or any little delay, she have time on her hand. Father God was so good that him allow me to reach the airport. Who could it be? You have to just give thanks every day. Sometimes some things happen, you know, man. It not just happen naturally, so you know. By the help of Father God. Yes, man. Father God, she said, I couldn't afford to, in a case like this, when I have no control, and this is why I always say I try to use time. If I go somewhere 12 o'clock, I left out an hour before. If half hour can't carry me, I left out 1 hour before. Instead of left out 11:30, I left out 11 o'clock. So basically, I give myself a space between a half hour if any little detour or any little thing. You know, we can quickly make a decision and assess the situation. Yes. What I tell you, a cost me now, you know. I don't sure if this room can well. Because these rims are alloyed rim. Yes, they basically can well because you have material well them, but it is going to be very costly. Right now for weld this rim could have cost me a minimum of $10,000–15,000 just to weld one rim. People step on the airport road, I head to Harborview, roundabout to head back to Kingston. Just go and stay tuned. I do everything I go no more sightseeing. I just complete that video here with the little cooking up of the breadfruit and tin mackerel for my breakfast. So I want to just stay tuned for that. Bless up on yourself and thanks for watching at the end of the video when you reach. Yes, man. Big up on yourself. Do like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up underneath the video. I'm pleased to watch the ads. Continue to support the channel. And remember, not because I don't reach that 3,000 subscribers and the time frame, the journey still continue. So let's continue. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do it now. Please and thanks. And please to share the videos and the links, the channel to your friends and family. You have a WhatsApp group or your WhatsApp itself, you just share. Facebook, share. Yes, man. Family group, share. And when you share, just ask please to subscribe to the channel. Because you might send it and somebody has said, why sending this? Sorry, my people. But as I said, the journey continue, my people. So just share the channel. You understand? Subscribers can't too much. The more subscribers you have, the possibility for more views, you know, and more, you know, more what I call it now, benefits for the channel and stuff, you know. Yeah, man. So just continue to like and share. It's not any so we just did have a projection, so we want to reach X amount for X time, within X time. It not work out, the journey continue. Alright? So bless up on yourself. The housing scheme that we build right here, so just bless up on yourself and catch me when me look after my tin mackerel and my breadfruit. Yes, big. I am now on the back road heading towards Port Royal Street. I want to say the back road, I mean the one at Portmore. This is the one behind, where it run behind like East Kingston, Ray Town side, yeah, Bellevue, yeah, back of Bellevue there, so, yeah, man. So we are going, you know, take good time going. Right now, I'm in a 2-mood, people. You know, in a sad mood. I never want to talk about it until I get over it, because I might just bust out on the phone, you know, you know, say my daughter gone. And my rim were broke. All because of careless governance. Careless governance. Every day I talk. These roads that people use, airport road, certain major road must be inspected like every month or every other month.
So when you see a little hole start come out, you make case and you patch it, you know, wait till it turn a crater. Plus, the place is not properly lit. You understand? You're putting people, citizen life at risk with these major road. Just as we point out one on Spanish Town Road, right above Red Stripe main gate. Just as you pass Red Stripe main gate heading towards 6 Mile like you're going Spanish Town and Spanish Town Road, there's a big crater there. Can you imagine you just coming from foreign now, heading that direction, going to whichever parish you're going to? See another lady like a puncher, she puncher. Well, puncher, I can't mind and I must patrol she lick, as well as I can patrol she lick just like myself. In the rain, yeah. You understand? And you can be heading home, not knowing that a patrol the right there, so that big. Not a little something where you can say just go over it and that you just feel like a vibration in your steering. Something where you can cause your car to turn over based on the speed where you go. And when I say speed, I mean say you go over the speed limit. The speed limit can be 60 kilometers per hour. And you go within the 60 or a little less. You understand? And just hit that patrol and you turn over. Or it take your steering out of your hand and send you elsewhere. These things must not happen. But at the stoplight people at the famous Raytown fishing village, the right turn would be right where you're going to the famous Olits at Nama. Yeah man, Raytown, old time Raytown style. Yeah. You see me as a people? And you can't pay your taxes, your license, your motor vehicle. You pay my money, you pay for license this, you know. And you don't matter about insurance, because your insurance are like your benefit. For your damage, if you damage out the road, or damage your body car. But let's talk about fitness and registration. You understand? Fitness and registration is what you contribute. Not to mention if you go out there, you commit an offense and you pay your ticket, that also contribute to keeping the road in proper condition and proper lit areas of whatever road you travel upon. These places not some little back road and half road me talk about in the people. These roads are major thoroughfare. Major thoroughfare. No major thoroughfare supposed to insert the condition where we see some of them major thoroughfare in a joke that you're putting people's life at risk. Trust me. And the authorities need to do better. These roads need to inspect like every other month. And as a little patrol broke out, on a patch it. But them don't want to do that because that not going to help them pocket. And them contractor friend, it not going to help them. When them measure up on it 5 ton of material and them say a 20 ton. Boom, them make 15 ton money right there, so. And then the contractor say, okay, $100 million to fix it. And them say, alright, say 120 million. A 35, because it's a ton of the material, is a $35 million extra that, you know. So what? When the little patrol, them now fix it. No care them come so come fix a big patrol, yes, and see one little one, then now plug it. Them prefer sell the material to private people for put at them gateway and in a them yard before them use it and drop in a one little patrol near the big one with them a patch. And we full time for we stop this man. Motorists out here suffer because of this condition. I second time now this happened to me going to airport, you know. Right through one of the back part of Manly Meadows there, so. One of you me say Raytown Railway there, so. One time I go pick up a farmer girlfriend from the airport, you know. And I see two patrol actually in the same place. It's just like they like less than 5 inches from one another. And when I see the first one, I swing from the first one. And right now the second one, I drop, you know. Bust up my tire, you know. Me never go stop around this, so kind of lighting around this, so no proper lighting around this, so. So when I have to rim the car, go all the way to Harbour View. And I tell the people, and I like now when I have it, I have on a spare. Me have spear in my car. Me did take out the spear for a while, put on one Nissan when me did have. I never remember putting back the spear in the car. And you see the day when me I got the airport the night, people, me I say, right, me I go be out of town, you know, out of my reach, you know, without spear. And so said, so done. I have to call my brethren and tell him to carry a spear come from where me live. And the man have to drive come all the way, come out of Harbour View, come give me the spear. So the second time now this I reach, we going to airport. Not even coming in, going. These roads supposed to be pretty smooth, like even when I look on right in front of me. Despite all of this, alright, you know, can I see that? You see that bad patch? Cement truck, drop off all kind of cement. When me and them say them are going to start prosecute them for, and all them sitting there. You understand? But that's so road for look like how me there in front of you now, people. So road for stay, them a road there, so them a road there, for stay a major road this. And Marcus have to drive this with up and now, people. And these road are major road, major thoroughfare that carry a high volume of traffic. So these roads must be maintained. You know, wait till the road broke out in a riverbed before you maintain it, man. You have maintenance team and go out and check these roads and probably every 2 months basic then. If you see if any little crack or any little thing are going on, you can patch before it turn crater. But as me say, it now gonna make them benefit that way there. People, so I'm back in the 3 mile area. So basically I'm back in my zone. Yeah man, I'm back in my zone, you know. I'm back in my zone. People, after me done cook and thing, me kinda, you know, level out the fire a little bit, see it there, turn it down. You know, you never know so cold stove can turn down. So I left the breadfruit them to finish go and soak. This a part I look like it drop down the fire and burn. And see my plant there. So when you don't know, I go peel and see what I get out of it now. Anything I get out of it, I show you what I get from it and stuff. So stay tuned for that little part there. But as I say, we not go see. We do not see this in our vlog, we don't know say the day they done gone already, but me just carry on along so you know that them done roast. So I want them to just peel them right here, so instead of going to the kitchen, go nice up in the kitchen, them all for black here. And that I go do, you know, people. I'm gonna just peel them right here, so bear with the quality of the video. Alright? Look what I go and see me, you know, people. Outdoor settings me dep on same way, you know. Yeah man, outdoor settings same way. Not change by peeling the breadfruit. You understand? Nothing not change. See it? And as you see, we gotta try cut out the little bee sting them with it in it. Yeah man. We gotta cut out the bee sting them. And remember outdoor we not plate cloth, so the same settings. You have to grab either a piece of leaf, piece of newspaper or a piece of cardboard. But as you can see, a newspaper. And see my table here. Table there bend back something with my 2 owl. The early part, we want to see the shrimp are cook. That table is too low. We need something more higher where we can rest the breadfruit pan, cut it in 4 pieces to get to peel it properly. So it not get to broke up. You understand? Because of the condition of all the bees sting the breadfruit. But me I tell the people, me just taste pieces. Me tell them breadfruit here, Jesus, they don't need nothing to eat it. All this you see me having in my hand here, if you feel peckish, you can just eat this like a nice gummy bun or a nice gummy ginger bulla without cheese or butter. And when you eat it, you can eat after this way you see here, people. Let me show you. This way you see here, so you can eat this half without drink like water. See smoke come, steam come from it same way. It's not really hot but still have a little steam. Yeah man, you can eat this without drink anything to wash it down. And I tell you man, nice breadfruit them man. But I never know, say, because me had look up in a tree when me a pass, you know. And me I tell you, for the past 2 years, is a long time me not see the breadfruit them bear so big. Them one have bear big this time, because from what day, for the past 2 years, them a grow small. Probably have to grow all 2 if you have a nice feed out of it, the way them did a grow small. But now them one are big. But me don't know what most of them a get bite up. Some of them up in the top are overripe and a drop off because them up there. And you don't know a breadfruit tree and something normal for climbing, you know. So you say owning all a breadfruit, having a breadfruit tree in your yard, it don't make no sense to make it grow out of proportion. Because it grow out of proportion, the fruit are go waste. And me hate to see fruit waste. If you know you can't climb to go up there, you know nobody to climb to go up there, keep the tree on a level. So when the fruit bear, you can use stick and pick it, or you can get somebody who willing to go to the height of the tree to climb and pick the fruit. But me hate when the tree them grow, you know, too big. And then the fruits them there and stay and me not like it. But anyway, me there. And you don't see what I go on. The vlog continue from where we left off with the curry shrimp and rice. When you don't see the whole settings, and when the breadfruit are pick, go up on fire and everything. But me just have to do a separate vlog, you know, because it would have made the shrimp and rice vlog too long. So I'm gonna just incorporate this with something. But I find the right thing for going with this, man. When you know I see that video, yeah, remember, you know, I tell you say Friday my daughter will leave, and a Thursday night now. And I have to leave out 5 o'clock in the morning, Friday morning with her. So what I go do? I go just vlog, carrying her to the airport, since it is all about cooking her last meal before she leave. Yeah, and as I say, I go ziplock some of them, zip bag some of them slices of breadfruit to fish carry up. So you just stay tuned for that. You understand? You know, I get a vlog going to the airport, carrying her to the airport, because I carry her to the airport. I don't go ball. As a matter of fact, you don't go see my face. So I not easily ball, but you don't know, throat I go get tight up on me, dry, one, you know, chest start tight up on them, something if you know say my daughter I go leave and I not possible to see her for another 4 or 5 years. Despite sometimes me and her can't agree because she's a little bit lazy and as she alone live here. I tell her say, you know, people that want the privilege here, if you live in a freshly built place, everything to your comfort, you're not paying no bills. Everything in the place freshly new, brand new. The only thing in my place all of my washing machine. Everything brand new, king size bed while me asleep on a queen size bed. You know? Everything, bills pay, food provide, everything. And sometimes me have to cuss with her for do certain little things in her eyesight when me not have to tell her. Till one day I tell her, I say, I can't wait for your filing come true. Same so I tell her. As it come true, I just go buy a ticket and make you go on. True that she go tell her mother that Jesus peace. So as it sitting come true, they rush me. Yes, you're not ready for buy the ticket now. Anyway, people, I go and peel the breadfruit and show you when I get out of it. As you see, the 3 breadfruit them bees bitten, and from me I go them showing bees bite breadfruit. That's how it end up. So I show you when I get out of the 3 breadfruit. I want to see a 3 nice size breadfruit. So I just stay tuned. Alright my people, this one was the worst of the lot. I mean I really have the time and the patience I know to peel this, because it got broke up, because as you see it's split in 2. You understand? Because this was the worst of the lot. But see what I get here from this, and I already start back up some because I go look for some ziplock bag where I have put on, but I find them but they were chown down and never in a good condition. So I find some brand new ones that I have in boxes, but they're small. So it come like it just work out the right way, because as you know, through the bee sting of the breadfruit did not get to peel as you know a slice of breadfruit. As you see, it keep, this is 1 slice and it break in 2 because me have to peel go around it to get out the part of the bee sting. Yes, alright. So me are carrying now in the kitchen when I did start bag up some and show you. So this is when me get out of I wouldn't say 2 because I end up throwing one peg of one with the bite the bees thing. I just dash it apart because I have to do too much cut out also. So this is like 1 3/4 of a breadfruit. Me get right here. So with couple pieces I'm already back up. So let's carry it to the kitchen now and show you what I bag up already. Alright, my people. Yes, people, see it here. So I get 3 little bags, Ziploc, because I didn't have no big enough Ziploc. So it come like the breadfruit, them just peel it in the right size, like bite sizes to fit into these little Ziploc bag. Yeah, man. So this is 2 and 3, because you know I have these little Ziploc bags. Yeah. So the big one I have, the condition is not suitable, because then they just throw down, you know. So breeze, dust, all kind of sitting. So this is all the breadfruit them turn out, small bite size. So what I'm going to do now, I'm not going to freeze them, people. Somebody has to freeze them and wrap them like in a hand towel and stuff. And in England she go take 10 years to reach. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put them in the bottom of the fridge so them keep cool. So they will totally cool, so they won't sweat in the bag from any form of heat, despite they are not hot. Right? Yeah. So I think this should be okay, as I'm not a traveler and she's a first time traveler also. So I think this will be okay. So let's hope she's not overweight. Alright. Tomorrow after I come from airport now, I finish match up the liquor left in this. We leave 1 tin of mackerel for my breakfast. And make gonna see what I want, and we'll just complete the vlog. Alright. So we'll see where it start with the curry shrimp and rice. Remember last time cooking fair it will probably another 4 or 5 years. And breadfruit picking, eat what you grow, yes, and shipping off also, and having some with some tin mackerel. So wanna stay tuned. You understand? The top of the vlog. We never get this at the top of the vlog. We never get the vlog going to the airport and from the airport, reasoning and talking. Alright? So bless up till then. So yes, my people, see the tin mackerel here, flash out, aka dirty girl, Grace tin mackerel. Yeah, man. So people, me didn't have to add it up. Me no bother fry the breadfruit. Me just roast breadfruit and tin mackerel. So me just have to flash out this and put some black pepper over it. So me have the black pepper here, so yeah, put some black pepper over it and me good to go. So bless upon yourself, you know where this all started from. Alright? Roast breadfruit, eat what you grow, my own production, yes, and some tin mackerel, because the curry shrimp did end up done, because my big daughter come take the liquid and left to eat this. Alright? So thanks for watching. Come to the end of the video. Come finally. Bless upon yourself. You know they do, like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and the video. And please to watch the ads. Life is a mission TV. Life is a mission, it's not a competition. I'm out. See it there? Yeah, man. Tin mackerel, aka flash out, dirty girl. Yeah, man. Real authentic settings, you know. See there, the black still upon the breadfruit. Alright. Bless upon yourself.